Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your default browser on iOS 14. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Make sure that both your iOS device and the browser you would like to make your default are up to date, as this won't work otherwise. Open up the Settings app and scroll down until you find the browser you would like to make your default and open it. Now tap where it says Default Browser App. Select your browser so that it has a blue tick after it. And that's it, your default browser has now been changed. And that draws an end to this short tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.